Tignan nyo tong bokong na to, oh. Sumesenyas-senyas pa nayayariin daw niya si Kabayan. Napakayabang. At talaga namang tumititig-titig pa ng masama kay Kabayan, oh. Porkit mas malaki siya, mukhang galing planet Nemki, nag-aangas na ng inam. Tapos may pagdila-dila pa ang demonyo. Mahiya mo may kilaling na alien na may leptospirosis lang dating yan, ha. Umaakma-akma pang hahalikan si Kabayan. Talagang mga asol lang tong animal na to, eh. Ang sarap busala ng patolder ng bunganga, eh. Para ba namang manghihigop ng bunggo? Ayan, sinuwag katol ni Kabayan. Kaya naman niya, umiiling-iling pa ang damukos na para bang sinasabing ito lang ba kalabang ko? Eh mukhang wala namang kabitaw-bitaw to, eh. Tapos binembang pa si Kabayan ng patalikod. Napakabastos din naman talaga ng demonyo to, eh, oh. Sa harapan pa talaga ng ating mga kababayan at sa ating mismong lupang sinilangan pa nagyayabang ang demonyo at pumapakito. Kaya naman yan, mapikas sa'yo ang mga mangkukulam at mambabarang namin, eh. Kaso mahihirapan pala mangkukulam dito. Sa Burnek o sa Bulhul pa kukuha ng buhok yan, eh. Ako, eh, pahirapan niya yan. Mamaya may mga duga at ipis din, eh. Magkarabis pa yung mga yan. Pinagbantaan pa ng maangas na Afrikanong ito si Kabayan na inanakaut daw niya ito sa harapan ng maraming mga Pilipino. Hindi naman na daw kasi champion ang kalaban niya, eh. At siya daw talaga ang tunay na champion sa laban na ito. Kaya wag daw itong magbida-bida dahil hindi daw maaayaw at mahahawakan ng Pinoy ang kanyang gintong sintron, mga kaibigan. Ipapahiya na din daw niya ang mga mayayabang na fans ng Pinoy na nagsasabing easy work lang daw siya sa laban na ito, mga kaibigan. Ngunit sa mismong laban naman ay ang lahat niya po ng kaya bang yabangan at mga kademonyo ang pinagsasambit at ipinamalas ng maangas na Afrikanong ito ay kanyang nilamon ng buong buo. Bugbog sarado ang bokong. Hey, bota! Sa bidyong ito, mga kaibigan, ay ating pagninilay-nilayin kung papaanong tinuruan ng good manners at kagandahang asal ng ating bidang kababayan ang maangas at bastos na Afrikanong ito, mga kaibigan. Year of the Rabbit, May 13, 2023. Naganap ang laban ng angas ng Pinas kontra sa dapulchads ng mga Aprikano, mga kaibigan. Liyamado si Kabayan sa laban na ito at itinuturing na gagawing pampatabang bulati lamang ang maangas na Aprikanong ito sa labang ito, mga kaibigan. Masyadong mataas ang kumpiyansa ng kanong ito. Natatalunin lang daw niya ang Pinoy dahil di umano ay nangangalawang at kumbaga sa manok, tinitipid na daw ang mga patuka, bitamina at mga taong ekspertong nangangalaga dito na sa madaling paglilinaw ay minamahina, ipinagsasawalang bahala at minamaliit nito ang kakayahan at training routine ng ating bidang kababayan na ito, mga kaibigan. Subalit hindi rin naman talaga natin masisisi kung bakit nasobran sa kumpiyansa at tiwala sa sarili ang maangas na Aprikanong ito dahil tunay nga namang may maiyayabang at talaga namang nakakapagpa-ospital din naman talaga ang mga kamao nito sa laban, mga kaibigan. At sa katunayan niya po niya, ay sa naging 12 laban niya lamang po nito sa kanyang buong professional boxing career, ay isa nga lamang po ang nakaligtas hanggang round 12. Hindi naman nagpapekto si Kabayan sa mga kayabangan at kaanimalan ng maangas sa Dipul Giants, mga kaibigan. Bagkus inangasan din ito ang Aprikanong kalaban at sinabing pagugulungin daw niya ang ulo ni Dipul Giants sa ibabaw ng lona pagkatapos ng pugutin.
Basta hindi ko tatakbo, puputulo na lang.
Mahalimuyak na simoy ng hangin, kaakibat ng bilog na buwan, kasabay ng pagpapahid ng langis ng mga magtatransport pa lamang ng mga manananggal. Ika-13 ng Mayo, taong 2023 ay tuluyan ng naikasa ang laban ng angas ng Pinas kontra sa dapulchads ng mga Aprikano, mga kaibigan. Ginanap ang kanilang laban sa ating lupang pinagsilangan sa Okada, Manila, Grand Ballroom, Parañaque, Philippines. Paglalabanan nila dito ang titulong hawak ng Aprikano na WBO WBO Global Super Heavyweight title. May katakot-takot na 12 panalo, 11 ay tinapos sa pamamagitan ng knockout at walang bahid ng anumang klase ng talo. Ang tinaguriang the poor charge ng mga Aprikano, mga kaibigan. Samantalang ang Pinoy naman ay may 32 panalo, 22 ay tinapos sa pamamagitan ng walang awang knockout at 4 na bahid ng pagkatalo lamang, mga kaibigan. Sa mismong laban, walang hiya mo mga ringer na kinuha sa laban, mga kaibigan. Mga naghihilaban kainaman yan. Mahihirapan makapag-focus sa mga manonood dyan. Dapat ang mga kinukuha dyan sila Bakeka, saka yung mga labandera dun sa taliman naman Oo, walang hiya mo entrada ni Kabayan. Nakakapangilabot Parang super saiyan ang dating Aba, teka, kamukha pala ni Prisang Aprikano. Ngayon ko lang napagtanto. Isa, man ng bunbunan Mag-conic at mag-maxipil lang to ng ilang buwan kamukhang kamukha na lalo yan. Unang round, walang hiya mo si Kabayan. Ganadong ganado Parang magwewel ka na ibaba ang presyo ng gimbulag at lamban ko Kainaman yan. Oo, ang Aprikano naman nakakatakot maningin Parang mga ngain lang ng hilaw na mga lamang loob at balon-balunan na. Samantala, nagpapakilala na agad ng Pinoy sa laban at hinahagupit na agad nito ang maangas na Kano. Subalit mukhang may triceps, biceps at abs ang pagmumukha ng Kano, mga kaibigan. Napakakunat Aba, teka, baka may nikokontrol lang na alien sa loob ng ulo niya at robot lang talaga yung katawan ng Kano na yan. Kainaman na yan.
John Real Casimero has done that, just that.
And then John Real Casimero at this weight division, do you think this is a place where he can be more comfortable, stronger?
He looks very strong, and at the same time, he doesn't have to cut the weight that he had problems with in the bantamweight.
Champion Philippus Energy Ngitumba. That's a key term that we have to put out here. Energy. Yes, you're the defending champion, but you are fighting on your opponent's home soil.
John Real is allowing himself, Philippus Ngitumba, to feel his power early in this fight, and that is a very important aspect for his.
And Ngitumba, his professional debut, a decision loss. Casimero looking to make a statement early, goes to the body that time.
I think an overhand and the body would be good for Casimero to land against Ngitumba. With the high guard coming in, but opens up when he punches.
Chime it.
Both fighters looking to trade.
And we don't see this usually where Casimero is stepping back. Ngitumba is here to fight.
Well, let's remember that Philippe does have that ability to switch. So let's see if he does change that in the second round.
Great point.
He slaps with those overhand, but I think it's the accumulation of punches that he does damage people or his fighters, opponents.
He's trying to protect himself with that shoulder.
Ngitumba.
I think John Real is looking for a big shot to land against Ngitumba.
So Ngitumba trying to unload with that right hand. Staying active with the jab as well. Casimero trying to counter by Ngitumba. That ends a feel it out first round. It is championship time.
Round 2. Ay! Layon mo ko kasalanan. Natakot ako dun Tinamaan ka na magaling. Oo, ang Kano naman Walang hiya mo. Tumatalon-talon pa Parang pinapakitang nag-warm up pa lang Mayabang ka talaga Samantala, magpapalitan na agad ng mga wild punches ang dalawang boksidor, mga kaibigan. At tila gusto na agad tapusin ng isa't isa. Subalit parehas baka palang mukha nilang dalawa, mga kaibigan. Mga mukhang hindi nagkakasakitan Aba, teka, mukha palang bulati ang Kanong too. Parang kumikending-kending ang hulma ng katawang lupa pag nakatalikod.
Ngitumba, knowing that he's up there when he does attack.
Champion though. Yes, keeping that distance, but looking to be trade if it came to it. As Casimero lands one up top. Wild punches now coming.
Trying to land the left also.
And Ngitumba's coming back every single time.
Gotta watch out. Ngitumba is throwing every time Casimero's opening up.
And I think that Philippus Ngitumba is looking for that overhand from Gas fight to protect himself. But again, when he does, it's when he is vulnerable for those big shots.
Far Ngitumba, the one pushing forward. Oh, big shot again by Ngitumba.
And again, this is something that you don't see with Casemiro. Casemiro usually is the one pressing forward in all the fights that we've seen him, majority of it.
Casemiro looking to chop him down, has been going with that left hook to the body on multiple occasions already.
And I think that they need to do is to break him down.
As you know, early on.
And with Filippo jabbing and pressing forward, because the thing about fighters like Casemiro, who likes to throw wide, is to smother those punches, and he's doing the right thing by pressing high guard to smother the big shot from Casemiro.
Remaining in the second round. Nitumba Ranito has done a great job staying in front of Angus.
That's correct, because he feels that inside he has the advantage because of John Real's way of punching, which is a wide shot coming from John Real, which again you can smother to lessen the impact.
Nitumba looking to fire away after hearing the 10-second warning. Casemiro again to the body. Let's see if that pays off towards the later rounds. Back in a moment.
Round 3. Ay, nakikita nyo bang nakikita ko mga kaibigan? Magkakasala talaga ang mga walang sanang pinawalang sala dito eh. Talagang mapapasabunod ka na lang sa di makati eh. Kaya naman na yan. Samantala, dito na makokontrol ni Kabayan ang pace ng laban. At unti-unti na nitong makukuha ang tamang rhythm dahilan upang mayanig na ang alien sa loob ng utak ng kano. Ay, este yung huyang-huyaan ng kanong ito mga kaibigan. Makikita rin sa round na ito kung gaano katibay ang mukha ni Kabayan. Literal na hindi man lang nayayanig sa suntok ng halimaw na kalaban eh.
Left hook.
What I see is Casemiro is very confident.
Yeah.
And whether it's overconfidence or just confident that he has, because I know he has a tremendous amount of power. Sometimes when you are confident, you tend to look, and with Nitumba's coming in there with great certainty, and he's pressing forward with great defense and smothering Janriel's Casemiro's punches.
John Real bobbing, weaving, looking for an opening again. Ducks under. Ooh.
Great shot by Casemiro.
Nice shot. There you go. I believe that's what John Real was looking for.
And that body shot.
Crowd coming to life. Oh, Nitumba answers. And smart by not getting too trigger happy. Oh, but Nitumba connects.
And Nitumba is just pressing and pressing, and that another African fighter that fought John Real was to press with the heavy high guard.
Nitumba again pressing the action forward.
And the thing about throwing a lot of punches is they tire you out. I think this is why Nitumba is just here, Casemiro down a little.
Exposing himself to those body shots that Casemiro's been using.
And I think that Casemiro should be using those body shots to open up the head, like I mentioned earlier.
Under 30 seconds remain round. Bout scheduled for 12.
Body shot by Casemiro, and I think that's what he should focus more. A lot. Tumba should be focusing on the jab forward like he has. But of course, with Casemiro's style and punches, dangerous territory.
Almost a simultaneous exchange. Another action-packed affair. And back for more.
Round 4. Nahihirapan na makatama ng maayos ang Aprikano mga kaibigan. Para ba namang cobra ang ulo ng Pinoy eh. Napakagaling ng head movement, swabing-swabe umilag. Sa round din na ito, ay dito na magsisimulang mang-asar ang maangas na kanong ito mga kaibigan. Mahiya mo man ng gol na nakalbus sa stress lang ang dating ano eh.
Overhand coming from Casemiro.
Or bout scheduled for 12.
To set up the straight, and I think, like Rachel said, investing in that body shot is gonna be a big help for Casemiro.
John Real.
He's ranging him. He's finding that distance so he can throw and unload that right overhand.
Oh, look at some.
Yes, Nitumba is having a little bit
Setting
fun.
up with that jab, without setting up. And right now he's throwing that jab, using that jab, stiff arming with the jab, and throwing overhand or setting up the power shots. Good push.
On the replay.
You never know.
Coming up on a minute and a half remaining in round number 4. Casimero looking to take more control in round number 4.
And I think he's controlling this round more with setting up the jab and not allowing Nitumba to press.
I was actually going to say I would love to see an uppercut right between the guard.
Right.
Oh, got tagged there by that left jab.
Nitumba, a little straight in there.
Staying active. Jab by Casimero as
And Casimero, great jab. Oh, setting up again with the jab and an overhand to land on Nitumba. But he's fighting smart at this moment.
Oh, nice left hook by Gitumwa.
Still trying to do that chopping right.
I think this is a really good look for Casimero, setting up the jab and throwing the overhand and the body along with it as well.
Let's see if those investment shots make those hands drop. Round number 4 in the books. We'll be back for more.
Round 5, nanggigigil na ang kanukay kabayan mga kaibigan. Hindi ba naman makatama ng maayos dahil sa galing pumaling ng ulo ng Pinoy. Dito na rin makakalamang si kabayan. Pagdating sa malilinis na patama, Kowo, ang kanu naman bugbog surado na hangin eh. Kung nagsasalita lang yung hangin eh. Kanina pa yung binungangaan yan. Kaya naman eh yan.
Shots, but he was actually setting up his big shot behind.
You're just joining us again. My name is James Velasquez. I'm third with Nonito and Rachel Donaire. But always, obviously, Rachel, now that we're in the middle rounds, are you hoping to see the results of those in shots that you've seen from Casimero?
Yeah, the thing is that Nitumba, he is trying to keep him at a distance, but John.
And using those jabs, big shots. Again, body shots, investing in those body shots.
Casimero sort of a wait and bait. Can't body, you can hear it from a mile away. Those shots you can hear from Rojas Boulevard.
One thing that Casimero does have is a heavy hand.
Another one. This time going up top with the left.
Nitumba just trying to throw anything out there.
Oh! Flush
It's
shot.
Real Casimero with the right hand. And that, see, this is the same one that he was doing earlier, but
In front of,
you gotta give it to Nitumba. He's taking these shots pretty well.
especially those body shots and the overhands from Casimero.
No, 1-2.
I heard that one.
Tumba. Yeah. Look at them trying to trade body shots.
Yes,
and then
body
switch
for
it
body.
up.
Body for body.
Ooh. But notice, Nonito, that every time Casimero lands to the head, to the bottom, you see the defending champion. And
That's exactly what Casimero has been waiting for.
oh! Casimero!
Oh, he's saved by the bell in this one.
What an explosive end to...
Round 6, dito nagugulantang ni kabayan ang buong mundo mga kaibigan. Huwag niyong palalagpasin to, panoorin niyo maigi.
Put in all that work in that round, and they get away with the.
Oh!
He went out.
Nitumba is
Yes,
down
Nitumba
on the
down.
mat, getting counted. His legs are wobbling. Is he gonna come towards the ref?
And the defending champion has been knocked down.
They're
Casimiro.
allowing it to go.
Casimiro going in for the kill.
Casemiro going for the kill.
He's trying to get the distance to be able to hit him.
And Tumbua was
Tumba's
out.
covering up, trying to hit him with that. He's trying to save right now by holding John Riel Casimiro.
He's wobbly. He's wobbly, Nonito.
He's just one punch away. Just one punch away. I think an uppercut will do this one.
John Riel just needs to get that distance to be able to fire his shot.
Oh, look at him. Look at him.
He's
Almost
reaching.
out on his feet. Almost out on his feet.
Hey, tries to get a left hook in, and the barrage of punches that John Riel is throwing.
The champion just swinging for dear life.
His right leg is out. It's barely bending.
He is just a punch away. And he has no more power.
We still have half of the round left.
He has no legs.
Nice, Nonito.
Again, just using that jab, push him off with it.
To react, and then wherever that opening is, take it.
Another big
Oh,
shot.
Natumba's
Casimiro.
about to go down again.
But I think the champ is
Oh, that
suffering.
body shot.
Casimiro has to capitalize here. A minute remaining.
There's-
Let's go, John Riel. His corner is yelling. The defending champion. Look at his feet.
His legs are locking out though. His balance is off. He's trying to survive the last 50 seconds of round 6.
Defending champion, the toughness to stay on his feet.
Good shot. And I think those body shots, he needs to work more on those shots.
But Nonito, push yourself out. You don't want to gas out.
Of course.
Then Tumwa with a 1-2, trying to keep him away.
He's probably going to survive this.
Unbelievable. That's a lot from Tumbua after getting shot.
Fearless. He is saved by the champion. What tough. All right, Nonito, walk us through the sequence.
I think going into this, Tumbua was very confident in beginning the round. Then he got hit with that left hook and he went out and he was very hurt.
Round 7. Iniinlap niya ata kay kabayan tong tatlong Haponesang areo, mga kaibigan. Mga nagdiningdingan ng mga talukap ng tinggula. Ayos tayo mata ng mga yan ah. Ay naman yan, nabubulol ako eh. Samantala, nagiging maingat at tila mas lalong ginaganahan ng Aprikano sa laban, mga kaibigan. Halatang gustong bawian si kabayan sa pagkakakulata niya eh.
His legs back underneath him, couldn't establish his back.
Because I know for sure when you get hit
Oh, how long or how short you get hit by a bomb like
with a heavy hand, I was surprised he was able to get up. I know that will last him till tomorrow.
But Casimiro though getting tagged. I saw him taking deep breaths, Rachel, in his corner.
Well, sometimes you get excited that you're throwing so much power. He was trying to do because it was only from the previous rounds.
He put in a lot of work last round. Nice.
Casimiro trying to measure him.
Tumbua throwing that long range jab, trying to get the distance.
Also trying to keep John Riel Casimiro away from on the inside so he would be able to land more of his punches. His distance
He still doesn't have his legs.
would be extremely hard for Tumba to point. His legs do not look right.
You're absolutely correct on that. Lateral movement and shifting away.
Did that body shot hurt him?
I mean, there's the last one, and I wouldn't be surprised if he's hurt with that body shot.
Although that left jab connect. Now looking to load up that overhand right again.
Definitely Tumbua.
Oh, clean shot.
John Riel Casimiro has to be careful. You don't want to be at the tail end of his jab, you know?
Absolutely.
Under 30 seconds remaining, round number 7.
Who would have known he would survive that shot? Here we are ending another round, but at any moment, the judge totally end the fight.
10-second warning, round number Casimiro. Look at him push towards the ropes.
Nonito apparently called it.
Highlights in round number 7. Again, a world championship bout between John Riel Casimiro challenging for the WBO Junior Featherweight Global Championship held by
Round 8, patay na. Kumikending-kending ni si Kabayan na yun. Banda ka ng halimaw pa. Gagamitin na ni Kabayan ng secret weapon niya eh. Sa round din na ito, ay dito na mas kakawawain at bubugbugin ng Aprikano ang nananahimik na hangin mga kaibigan. Samantalang si Kabayan naman ay tila medyo nagtitipid-tipid na ng gasolina. Aba, ay talaga namang napakamahal naman talaga ngayon eh. Ay siya, lalo nang naghari ang mga reyna ng kalsada na yan. Alam niyo kung sino? Eh sino pa? Eh di ang e-bike na reyna ng mga kalsada. Kaya naman yan.
Without there actually being a target to hit. You waste energy like that, you get tired.
And that's something that you do. You just forget to set up.
the heart of Philippus Ngitumbua. Wait.
Janriel looking again. Well, Nitumba now is coming back and being confident.
Oh! Nice shot there. You can see also Rachel, Casimero is
Yes.
those punches.
So every single time that that Nitumba throws the right hand, you see Casemiro roll with it, and then this is the overhand.
It's a science, you know, and a lot of things Janriel just did. He threw a jab before anything, just a big bolo shot. But there is a technique to a lot of. Nitumba.
Nice shot by John Riel. With straight.
They were both throwing the straight, well, both rights. Straight from Nitumba. Jab, jab, straight. He's actually doing behind his jab.
Wow, he survives it again. Yet again.
Championship bout. We were talking on the air. Can you get towards the end another rocking combination by Casimero?
And he was able to.
Round 9, pinaliligo na ni Kabayan ng mga hambalos ang kano mga kaibigan. Balak yatang paputin sa suntok ng kalaban eh. Aba, maawa ka Kabayan. Regaluhan mo na lang kaya nung Gruta tayo at Kojik. Samahan mo na din ng isang batyang mena. Pay naman na yan. Samantala, mukhang hindi talaga napapagod ang Aprikano oh, mga kaibigan. Aba buratin nyo nga ulo niyan. Tingnan nyo, baka may mga pindutan dyan ha. Baka may nagkocontrol nga ng alien na nasa ulo niyan eh. Kaya naman na yan.
Nice body work.
But like you said, body shot.
Casimero is closing the gap here, but cannot be careless. So you have to point your camera, not step on it. Oh. Okay, so Casimero counters. Oh, nice shot. Casimero.
This guy has a lot of energy.
Oh.
Nice body
Beautiful
shot
body
by
shot.
John Real.
Meaning round number 9.
That exact same left side, like I said.
Oh.
Nice shot by John Real Casemiro.
Definitely he needs to play behind that jab like he has to set up the big, especially every shot that you throw are power shot.
Casimero trying him with that heavy movement.
You saw Nitumba take a really breath.
Yes.
When they broke that clinch.
To keep the action going.
And again, another furious finish. A lot of
Round 10, ginugulangan na ni Kabayan ng kano mga kaibigan. Yakap na ito ng yakap para makaipon ng mas marami pang gasolina. Dito na rin pupuruhin ni Kabayan ang bahay at matras ng Aprikano. Subalit mukhang baka palang plasenta ng kanong ito mga kaibigan. Mukhang hindi papahuli ng buhay eh oh.
That happened. We did knock him down though.
Oh, that overhand almost ended. That would have been the end of the night.
The day, we're still in the afternoon.
That's very true.
double left uppercut by Casimero, trying to break through, blitz through that defense.
Well, pressing forward.
He's on his back foot. That's the best bet for Nitumba.
Yes. Smothering him that big distance for his power is when he can shot, body shots again. And you keep calling the body shot.
Well, of course, it's going to be easy for John Real to.
You know, if they have resources to do so.
You know, that's interesting that you say that because we were were trying to find fight tape on him, and it was actually quite difficult.
Yeah, it was very difficult
There
to
might
fight.
have been like maybe 2 that we saw, and most of them were highlights, not full fights.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see if that has been something that they've observed during the course of the fight.
Casemiro just taking a break in this round. End it all from Casemiro.
I feel like every time you say that, that's what happens. It's like a foretelling.
Bisaya champion though remaining consistently throwing that jab and following up.
Yep, keeping that jab out there knows that that right hand is going to be able to land. Or we can assume that if John, but we do know that John Riel has been rolling the correct direction.
Yes.
Nice body shot to end the round.
Last 2 rounds when we come back.
Round 11, bagyang nakaipon na si Kabayan ng gasolina mga kaibigan at bumobomba-bomba na ulit ito ng paunti-unti. Samantalang ang Aprikano naman ay dito na magpapamalas ng kayabangan at kademonyohan. Tingnan yung maigi mamaya.
Championship rounds.
Here we go. Oh, Casemiro gets hit, is trying to rush in.
With the left
Need
hook.
to put on the little break to just slow down a little bit and then go all out in the last round.
Wow. Okay.
Now,
Does-
Casemiro treat that as poking the bear.
I was gonna ask that. If that happened, if you lose your focus and you go out of emotion and anger more than your game plan, it could work against you. It gives them more laser focus. Just depends on.
Had the referee count himself. So Ali was just pressing mentally into it. And George Foreman was pissed off going to the ring, and he people thought he was gonna do and take Muhammad Ali out, but guess what? He tired himself out.
Yeah.
Tumba is still trying to keep John Riel Casemiro at bay.
Earlier.
Surprisingly, I'm still surprised by it.
John Riel trying to throw bombs. Tumba is answering back with small shots here and there.
Yeah.
He's actually turning and point us.
Tumba is trying to land a shot of his own. John Riel does a ring, rolling, moving around the ring. So then he's gonna make him work for it. Natumba tries to give some body shots of his own to John Riel Casemiro. John Riel Casemiro responds back.
You know, in 2019, Nonito, I covered John Riel's fight in Cebu, and he looks today compared to that time I last saw him.
He's definitely learned a lot.
That QR code is.
The
is
QR code-
with those logos that are that big.
Oh, another furious exchange. Casemiro firing away.
Trying to end the round or end the fight.
It is one more round between Ultimate Boxing Glory and defeat. And our 2 warriors.
Round 12, wawalwalin na ni Kabayan ng Aprikano at iipitin sa corner mga kaibigan. Subalit talagang matibay ang resistensya ng baga nito. Buwang hindi talaga napapagod eh. Ano kayang vitamins dyan? Hindi kaya at ng orangutan at kalabaw? Kaya naman na yan.
Well, this is it. This is it. They're gonna go in there and it's.
Was able to roll under everything that Natumba tried to keep him off.
Trying to corner him now.
Ranging him with his left hand and then firing off with his right.
And Casemiro, it actually looks fresh in this round.
Big shot up top. He counters.
Tries to hit John Riel, but he got out of the corner. So I give him complete respect and of the opponent's country and standing on his feet. If you're gonna
To box from a distance, because earlier he was trying to trade with Casemiro.
That's right. You know, with him in tremendous shape. Oh, Casemiro.
Uh-oh.
They're just going at it.
yes, and as well.
Tumba coming.
Can still looking spry. Oh,
Was in the back of the head.
now will the defending champion go for broke, knowing that there was a point deduction?
He's upset at the referee.
10 seconds in the final round.